reaction dito sa balitang Trump versus Zelensky, yung nangyari doon sa Oval Office. Unang-una, si Zelensky ay hindi nagsusut, pero sa aking palagay ay ano naman talaga siya, hindi siya nagsusut. Biniro pa nga ni Trump sa una na, oh, you're all dressed up, right? So pakinggan natin to.
With my friends in Poland, and they are worried that you align yourself too much with Putin. What's your message for them?
Well, if I didn't align myself with both of them, you'd never have a deal. You want me to say really terrible things about Putin and then say, "Hi, Vladimir, how are we doing on the deal?" That doesn't work that way. I'm not aligned with Putin. I'm not aligned with anybody. I'm aligned with the United States of America and for the good of the world. I'm aligned with the world, and I want to get this thing over with. You see the hatred he's got for Putin. It's very tough for me to make a deal with that kind of hate. He's got tremendous hatred, and I understand that, but I can tell you the other side is exactly in love with, him either. So it's not a question of alignment. I'm aligned with the world. I want to get the thing set. I'm aligned with Europe. I want to see if we can get this thing done. You want me to be tough? I could be tougher than any human being you've ever seen. I'd be so tough. But you're never going to get a deal that way. So.
Yan, napansin niyo yung pagtingin minsan nag-roll yung eyes ni Zelensky. Parang balisa siya eh. Maintindihan mo naman kasi siguro dahil yung country niya is in a war, right? With Russia.
That's the way it goes. One more question.
Hey, I will respond to this. So look, for 4 years in the United States of America, we had a president who stood up at press conferences and talked tough about Vladimir Putin, and then Putin invaded Ukraine and destroyed a significant chunk of the country. The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy. We tried the pathway of Joe Biden of thumping our chest and pretending that the president of the United States' words matter.
Ayan, dito na magsisimula pagkatapos na magsilta si Vance, yung kanyang vice president ni Trump.
More than the president of the United States' actions. What makes America a good country
Marami yatang
is America engaging in diplomacy. That's what President Trump is doing.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So he occupied our big parts of Ukraine, part of East and Crimea. So he occupied it on 2014. So during a lot of years, so I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him.
So this is the thing, pagka yung binobrought up niyang past, hindi talaga siya ready for peace. Kasi lagi niyang sinasabi yung nangyari nung parang lang yan. Siyempre pag mag-asawa kayo, mediate kayo, ay kung nandun kayo sa mediator, which is Trump, bakit yung sinusumbatan mo yung kaaway mo or yung partner mo, right?
But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and took. He killed people. You know what the contact
2015.
2014.
2014 and 2014.
2014.
Yeah. So
I was not here.
Yeah, but
That's exactly right.
Yes, but during 2014 till 2022, the situation the same. The people have been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversation, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him, me, like a new president. In 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. Ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Gas contract. Yes.
This guy looks like a thug, Zelensky.
But after that, he broke the ceasefire. He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy JD you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yeah,
Yan, na yan, tingnan mo, ang yabang ng dating ni Zelensky, oh. Taas noon na parang nagmamayabang. Nasa Oval Office pa naman siya. Wala siyang respeto sa White House. Hindi na lang yung kay Trump, kahit hindi niya respetuhin. Yung sa opisina na lang ng President of the United States, sa buong country, yan, the American people.
but if you
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems.
I think this Vance guy, matepok to si Trump, siya yung magiging next president, right? So that's why he's being like that. Nagpa-practice na.
Problems. You should be thanking the president for
Have
trying
you
to
ever
bring
been-
it into this
have you
conflict.
ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to.
Count once.
I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is
Just sinasabi ni Zelensky na bakit ka magsasabi ng diplomacy, you haven't been to our country even once. So ito yung paliwanag ni Vance.
you bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems bringing people in your military?
We have
And do you think that it's
I will
respectful
answer.
to come to the Oval Office
I
of the
will
United
answer.
States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
A lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future.
Dito na magsasalita si Trump nung sabi niyang you're gonna feel it in the future.
God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless.
You don't
God
know that.
bless. You will not
You
have
gotta-
a war.
Don't
Don't tell us how we're going to feel. Parang nagdidictate
tell us what
na
we're
siya.
going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because
I'm
you're in no
answering on
position
this
to
question.
dictate that.
That's exactly
Remember
what
this.
you're
I'm not
You're in
dictating.
no position to dictate what we're going to feel.
You
We're going to feel very
you will
good.
feel influence.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and
telling
very
you, You
strong.
will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position.
Masagot pa talaga, you're gonna feel influence. What does that mean? I think pagka yung, kasi sinasabi niya, pagka hindi mapigil si Putin, isa-isahin na niya yung mga maliliit na country sa Europe, including na siguro ang United States. But, who is he to say that? Siya yung humihingi ng tulong, pero siya pa yung nagdidikta ng kung anong dapat mangyari. He's being disrespectful, from my opinion.
You've allowed
From the
yourself to
very-
be in a
from
very
the very
bad position,
beginning
and he
of the
happens
war.
to be right about
From the very beginning of the war.
You're not
Mr.
in a good
Brown,
position.
I
You don't
was-
have the cards right now. With us, you start having
not playing
cards.
cards.
Right now, you don't.
I'm very
You're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're gambling
I'm the
with.
He's not playing cards. So, President Trump is being rhetoric, right? Sa mga sinasabi niya. Life is just playing cards. You have to, deal your cards right or play your cards right.
Lives of
anymore.
millions of people.
You think-
You're gambling with World War III.
What you're
You're
speaking about?
gambling with
What you're
World
speaking
War III. And what you're doing is
Sabi niya, presidents in war. So, naka-apekto siguro sa utak niya, may PTSD siya or something like that.
very disrespectful to the country, this country.
I'm
That's
with
back
all
to you.
respect to your
Far
country.
more than a lot of people said
Very
they
respect.
should have.
Have you said thank you once? This
A lot
entire
of
meeting?
times.
No, in this
Even
entire meeting,
today.
have you said thank
Even
you?
today.
You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of
What are you
America
speaking about?
and the president who's trying to save your country.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war,
Ayan, sinabihan pa niya si Vance na ba't ka parang naninigaw, right?
you
He's
can,
not speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No,
Can
you've
I
done a lot
answer?
of talking. your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not
I
winning.
know.
You're not winning this.
Ayaw pa
You
rin.
have a damn good chance of
We are
coming out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this
We
cabinet.
gave you, through
I
this
said
stupid
thank-
president, $350 billion.
You
We
voted
gave
for
you
your president.
military equipment,
You
and your
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about West?
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me.
equipment,
You invited
if
me
you
to
didn't have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3
okay?
days. I heard it from Putin. In 3 days. This is something
Maybe
new.
Nag-sarcastic pa talaga. In 3 days. Sabi na nga, 2 weeks. Talagang kumukontra pa. In 3 days daw.
less.
In 2 weeks. Of course,
It's
yes.
going to be a very hard thing to do business like this. I
Again,
tell you.
just say thank you.
Yan, dapat mag-
I said it a lot
siya,
of
eh.
times
Mayabang
here
siya.
Except
to American people.
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong. We know
Before this, nakatanggap nga pala ng 5 billion tong Zelensky na to, no, from Canada. Courtesy of Justin Trudeau na walang mandate sa Canadian taxpayers.
that you're wrong.
But you see, I think it's good for the American people to see what's going on.
I understand, sir.
I think it's
I
very
understand.
important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the
I'm
cards.
thankful.
You're buried there. Your people are dying.
tell you
You're
the-
running.
Sumasagot pa habang nagsasalita si President Trump. Ibig sabihin wala siyang respeto kay Trump. Ganito talaga. Pagka comedian naging presidente.
Low
I know.
on soldiers.
Don't-
Listen,
don't play
you're
this,
running
Mr.
low
President.
on soldiers. It would be a damn good thing.
Mr.
And then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire. I don't want a ceasefire. I want to go and I want this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting killed.
Of course, we want to stop the war.
But you're saying you don't want a
But I
ceasefire.
said to you,
I want a
with
ceasefire
guarantees.
because you'll get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire, what they think.
That wasn't
doesn't
with
matter
me.
for you what-
That
what
wasn't
is-
with me.
It
That was
wasn't
with
you.
a guy named Biden who was not a smart person.
This-
So this guy, Zelensky, is not ready for peace. Pumunta lang talaga siya ron para mag-demand ng more support, money, and I guess kakampi. No? Tapos sinisiraan pa niya yung kanyang bungad. Lagi niyang sinisiraan si Putin. So how is gonna be mediated by Trump kung ganun ang ginagawa niya?
That was
This
with
is your
Obama.
president. It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama, who gave you sheets, and I.
It was your president, sabi pa niya. Nung president si Obama tsaka si Biden, he was your president. So, parang sinasabi niya, pare-parehas lang kayong presidente, bakit ganito? You know.
gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is Obama gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You got to be more thankful because let me tell you, you don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards. But without us, you don't have any cards.
Trump is right. You don't have a card, so why do you keep on going all in?
One more question to Mr. Vice President. I'm sorry.
It's going to be a tough deal to make
Uh,
because the attitudes have to change.
What if Russia breaks ceasefire? What if Russia breaks peace talks? What do you do then? I understand that it's a heated conversation right now.
What are you
but
saying?
What
She's asking, what if Russia breaks the ceasefire?
Well, what if anything? What if a bomb drops on your head?
Yeah, what if the bomb drops on your head? So itong deal na to is just a starting point, no? Yung mga tinatanong nung media is in the future na. So anong gagawin mo pag ganun? It remains to be seen kung anong gagawin, di ba? Hindi mo naman sabihin ganito mangyari pag ganito. Siguro may plano kung ganito mangyari, but you know, it's according to the situation, right? According to the present situation kung ano yung gagawin mo. Ganyan.
Head right now.
But they have
Okay?
broken
What if they
ceasefire.
broke it? I don't know. They broke it with Biden because Biden, they didn't respect him. They didn't respect Obama. They respect me.
But what-
Let me tell you, Putin went through a hell of a lot with me. He went through a phony witch hunt where they used him and Russia. You ever hear of that deal? That was a phony Hunter Biden Joe Biden scam. Hillary Clinton, Shifty Adam Schiff. It was a Democrat scam. And he had to go through that. And he did go through it. We didn't end up in a war. And he went through it. He was accused of all that stuff. He had nothing to do with it. It came out of Hunter Biden's bathroom. It came out of Hunter Biden's bedroom. It was this.
Yung, Hunter, yung anak ni Biden, involved sa ganong scam or through Russia. And then, pinardon niya. No?
Disgusting. And then they said, oh, the laptop from hell was made by Russia. The 51 agents. The whole thing was a scam. And he had to put up with that. He was being accused of all that stuff. All I can say is this. He might have broken deals with Obama and Bush, and he might have broken them with Biden. He did, maybe. Maybe he didn't. I don't know what happened. But he didn't break them with me. He wants to make a deal. I don't know if you can make a deal. The problem is I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very.
Kita mo yung nagro-roll siya ng ice, nagro-roll pa ng ice. Parang mayabang. Dapat palitan na to eh. Hindi magandang representative ng Ukraine to eh. Parang gusto niyang tuloy-tuloy pa yung war para mabigyan siya ng mga pera o baka naman binubulsan yung iba tsaka ng mga cronies niya, no? Yung mga nasa taas. Yan. Parang yung sa, kumbaga sabihin natin Yolanda, maraming nagbigay na nag-donate na iba-ibang bansa. Tapos hindi naman nakarating doon sa mga talagang biktima. Yan.
very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And
Yan, nagbabuffer
if we're out,
marami
you'll
yata
fight it out. I don't think
nakalog in.
it's going to be pretty, but you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position. But you're not acting at all thankful. And that's not a nice thing. I'll be honest, that's not a nice thing. All right, I think we've seen enough. What do you think? Huh?
What's this negotiation?
This is going to be great.
This is gonna be a good television, which is everybody's
Big
watching.
television, I will say that.
So yan, after nitong incident na to, maglalansya na sila. Yan, tingnan natin kung meron.
We'll see what we can do about putting it together. Thanks.
Yan. So, ayan lang, no? So, yun ang ating reaction sa pangyayaring ito. At it's just may follow up si Trump na if he's ready for peace, he can come back. So madaming backlash na nangyari, no, after this thing happened. So kudos to Trump sa being transparent to his constituents, no, at pati kasama ang kanyang vice president. Yung vice president niya all support, no. Sana ganon din ng ating bansa. Yun lang. Okay.